Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Talks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Facebook. So now I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want. Then type here facebook.com, then enter, and after that you can say this is your Facebook page. So now what you need to do, simply click here account icon and then click your name. Then scroll down there, here you can see the option three dot. Simply click on three dot and you can see meta verified. Simply click on that and you can see join the waiting list for meta verified. So we are opening access to premium account benefits for more people, okay, with a meta verified subscription to you. So here are some options you will get. Simply join waiting list. Okay, you are the waiting list. So thank you for your interest. We'll send you notification when meta verified is available to you. So this way you can verify your Facebook. So they send you the uh, mail, then you will understand or you will get the direction. So, friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.